Here's a quick video tour of the heating, air conditioning system, and a couple of fans in my cousin's house in Long Island, New York. Anyways, first of all, welcome it. Dog. Okay. Here you got this radiator that's behind the cage right now. Anyway, I thought it's a vent, but then I realized it's a radiator inside. I have told them that it's a radiator inside. Anyway, probably can't see it, but it's very similar to this, imagine. The heat's off right now. Warm. What's that? It's 70. About 21, 20 something degrees Celsius. Oh, what? Alright. Static, but anyway, got this little ones here. We've had the boiler stop once and we had to fix it. Anyway, and also here, all this room essentials, 16-inch room essentials fan. We discussed before what I'm using it for right now. Anyway, here it is. It's just to make this room a little bit warmer and just make it a little bit more even. Here I got this plastic wood machine, which is meant to be in the basement, but I'm using it right now here just to make this room a little bit warmer. And also here I've got this exhaust fan. We just got that just to check it out. It's meant for the pigeon loft, I think, but I've got another one in the pigeon loft, but it's in silverish color instead. Anyway, it's a global continental industrial exhaust fan. It's 10 inches model. I have a video of the one in the pigeon loft, by the way. Anyway, here I've got the furnace, the Whitfield furnace, or otherwise known as fireplace, with a centrifugal blower in it. And yeah, I can't see the blower. Anyway, here we got a air conditioner. This, I don't know what brand it is, but it's a very cool air conditioner. If you ask me, but it's not really very cool, but just found it pretty cool. You know, and also we got computer fans right here. Just found these pretty cool as well. They're pretty big. You know, anything that's big and stuff like that. By the way, here's the air conditioning fan. The air conditioning, and that's outside. It's pretty old. I don't know what brand the air conditioner is exactly. Well, I'll check. Doors of printer fan. Didn't see that before. Didn't see this before. I just saw this now. So I just discovered something new while making this video. Anyway, the pigeon loft we'll check out later. Here we've got, not working well. It's ground if you can see it, but it's not working well. And also outside, I'll show you that later when you go to the pigeon loft. And over here, got this independent ink ventilation fan that Coco that use now. Anyway, pretty cool. They're air conditioner vents. First of all, let's go up to the basement. Just turn on the lights. Oh, dropped something. Oh, I'll come back to that later. No, I'll put this in the chair and come back to that later. Anyway, here we got this Kenmore furnace. Did it fixed a while ago. And this red for white. I don't know what it is exactly. It's a boiler. Organ, keyboard, piano, whatever it is. Casio. We got this brown ceiling exhaust fan in the bathroom. It's super stinky here, so I'm gonna leave it on, even though it's gonna make that room stinky. I'll show you why later. We got this air purifier right there. It's got some in another video. It's RX branded exhaust fan that's out of here. Ironically enough. Yeah. This I'd imagine you guys they're not use these kinds of lights all the time. They on pull chains, and you know, I find it pretty cool. But I'm guessing that you guys probably see them every day. Is that true? If yes, please tell me. These are pretty cool. You've got, well, here's where the exhaust fan vents out. I'm annoyed why they didn't vent outside. Anyway, there's the dryer vent. We'll check out the dryer vent later. I would put a switch to this light just for backup when if this one breaks, and oh, there's a plug. That's pretty cool. Window. KitchenAid mixer. Check it upstairs. Boiler. It's 9 o'clock. You've probably heard my Audubon thing, bird clock, before, but you probably hear the clocks all around. So, you know. Anyway, here got the return of the AC. Right now I've got it on. Just to get it's not a fan basically. Anyway, let's turn it off to show you. So in the sense it's the light, and because I don't want the light on, I unscrewed the bulbs and oh, what have I done? Apparently I've screwed the bulbs back in, and anyway, here we've got this one on the fan, which is about 20 inches. Pretty old vintage, if you ask me. Anyway, for some reason, this switch all turns on the light from there. Pretty cool fan. I've got the blades. I've seen it like 100 times, but don't think you guys have seen it before. That's pretty cool. Anyway, it's like the HVAC fan, or the air conditioning fan. The light, this light and the light up in the attic turn on the same switch. Don't know why that is. Wind has been blowing stuff around here. Anyway, here we got HVAC supply vent. Sorry, why do you keep saying HVAC? It's VAC. If you want me to be more specific, ventilation, air conditioning, no heating. This, I think. Here got this radiator. It's blue. Anyway, here's that low battery, but it doesn't really matter right now. Anyway, fan, auto, it'll just turn off, on, system, cool, off, heat, they don't think works. That's why I got radiators. This room, this radiator here, HVAC vent, this room, sorry. But this room's got the master box fan. I'll try to show you the master box fan later. Anyway, as I said, we'll go down and check out the pigeon loft. But now I'm just gonna get my jumper, but it's pretty cold outside. And after the pigeon loft, I'm gonna check out I'll show you the master box fan. I know this video, it's not really very, you know. want to check out the couple of fans that we've got, or a fan, if that's the only one I saw. My uncle just said this. My uncle's sleeping in the room right now, but I'll show you the fan later. Anyway, door's locked. That's interesting. Anyway, out here, the door so that the dog does not follow me where I go. Out here, I've got the dryer vent. Out here, it also got this higher fan. Anyway, yes, there's talking about. Yeah, everything's in order. It's got the global exhaust fan. I'm gonna turn the tires now. Here we've got the little fans up there. This one up there. Unfortunately, only this one works right now. And I don't want to get pigeon long, so I'll go back out. Turn this to low because it wasn't low. It wasn't low. It started on low. Guess I was just ceiling fan. So anyway, just that the split plug, and there's the outside part of it. Let's check. There's the outside part of the little fan up there. Pigeons up there. But anyway, you've pretty much seen it all. I've got. There's this fan up. The last box fan that you've been waiting to see. I'll probably stick the camera and then go back out because my uncle is sleeping, I'd imagine. Let's make a video to the fans in the house. Anyway, there you go. You've been able to see it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.